Shako Mako, everyone, welcome back to another video. This is Joey Austin, and today we're going to talk about something different. We're going to talk about VR. Stay tuned. So over here I have the Oculus Quest 2. It's a VR. So I was planning on making another video, but I got this one in mail and I'm really excited about unboxing it. So I said, let me do a video about it and see if it's worth it or not. Of course, this is the new gen. Let's see what it says. So over here we have, not sure if it comes with 6 games, but we're gonna have to open it up and see. It says next level hardware, blazing fast processor and ultra realistic graphic, put you in the center of the action. Easy setup, open the box and jump right into the VR. That's what we're gonna do. No PC, console, wire, or external sensor needed. That's cool. Backward compatible. Flash, slash, and spin your way through the Oculus Quest content library. Okay, so I'm not actually very familiar with what kind of games they have, but the one game that I'm really interested about is Resident Evil 4. I still love that game, so to be able to play it on VR, that would be really cool. Okay, so the requirement for it to work requires wireless internet access and Facebook account. Smartphone required to run the Oculus app. It's a free to download to set up your device. Okay, let's see what else we have. Okay, so over here it says, okay, so what comes in the box. This one is the 256 gig. Inside the box is the VR headset, silicone cover for facial interface, 2 touch controllers, 2 AA batteries, power adapter, glass spacer, and charging cables. And it's almost everywhere they put Facebook account required. Like we don't know that. So I was gonna reach out to my knife, but it's easy to open, just like Apple products. So got this one. Hope it's, yep, there you go. Okay. Now, okay, so it's a slide. Okay, put this one out. Let's open it up. Nice. Looks really cool. It's smaller than I thought. I didn't think it would be that small. But, so we have first controller. Very cool. Oh, very comfortable. Has analog, have 2 buttons, A and B, and they have like 2 shifts. That's one, right, got the left one. Oh, they also marked it right or left. Let's see what comes in this. Okay, you're probably not gonna go through with it. We have the brake, charging brake. It's, well, if I'm reading it right, it's 0.28 amp. That's really low. Got Type C to Type C cable. Okay, let's take it out. Okay, so this is the glass spacer, so you can attach it to it this way. If you want to wear if someone is wearing glasses, you can use this one. You're not going to be using it. Box is empty. Move it out of the way, and let's take a look. Okay. Okay, this is it. It's really nice, really small. Got sensor, we had the volume control over here. Oh, I did not know that. So all this is actually a paper. So it looks nice. There's a button over here. You can charge it over here. And assuming this is the 3.5 jack for headphones. Okay, let's take out stickers. Okay. So before I put it on, I just want to see what is this. Oh, this is the spacer. So this one goes over here. Let's wear it and try to turn it on. Hope you guys liked the video. If you do, give me a thumbs up. Want to see more videos like this or segments about video games? Because I'm actually a gamer. Like, I play a lot of games. So we can do a like segment about video games and stuff. If you would like this idea, leave it in the comment. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.